not yet.
Janine, how does it feel like to be part of this year's Hello Glow event for MUP?
I'm very happy, very excited. It's been a while, since I've been here and attended all these events. So I'm really happy and so excited to be here and be part of the event.
Mimiss mo na ba rumampa? It's been a decade since rumampa ka.
Na-miss ko. Pero right now, it's fun to just watch, the contestants and parang to be the part of the audience naman.
And you're not just going to watch, you're one of the judges. I saw your name over there. So,
They have early bets na ba? Especially during press presentation, nandun ka.
Pero secret mo.
Secret, I have to see them again ulit. Pero I did when you see all the candidates in the first time, you have like those good first impressions. So I have those.
So what's keep you busy lately?
I'm sorry.
What keep you busy lately?
So far, I've just been traveling around. So,
Umuwi ka na ba sa Bataan? Sa Bataan ka ba? Yung travel mo? Nakauwi ka na?
I did po. I visited there.
How's your love life, Janine? Naman tayo sa love life. Of course.
Fair enough, fair.
Sana all.
Janine is one of the judges. What have any activities ba of Miss Universe Philippines?
Yes, I might try out the school for a few weeks, but I'm hoping I can be here of course, for the pageant.
Of course, any message to you, our girls are competing for Miss
Do your best, enjoy, have fun, and just be at peace, be calm before you come out, and just enjoy it, enjoy the runway. It's such a fun experience to have, and to have in your life. So just have fun.
Mia. Ang ganda mo ngayon, any beauty secret naman? Mia, ang ganda mo ngayon, any beauty secret naman?
I would say water is really important. I never understood the importance of it so much before, but right now I really make it a point that I have to drink as much water as I can, like every day, and sleep and rest.
I love it. Thank you.
Janine,